my channel. My name is Pete, they call me Scooby. So in this video, maybe a couple of videos, I don't know, we'll see how this goes. I fit it all into one. I already installed these back ones here. Get a little lubrication on there, or maybe I over tightened that, I don't know. I'm not a mechanic here. And here's the new engine guard that we're going to be installing by Original Garage. I don't know if I'm going to put it all together yet today, because this actually has to come out and go to powder coating, because I can't find one in black. I got one of these on order. That was a pain in the butt to find, because it's a DYNA forward control, and this is 15 inches end to end, and every other shift linkage is like 12 to 13 inches, 11 and a half to 13 inches. None which fit on the bike. So the cold makes me want to pee.
The cold makes me want to pee.
So we're going to open this up, see what this looks like. I've had this in my shed for about a year now. I was like, I'm not going to install it because I wanted to get the lift ready and the bike ready for the lift first. I don't like doing things hard anymore. As you get older, you try to find the easiest way to do things. Oh, there's nuts and bolts on that. I'm going with the anodized red. That looks pretty good. This looks like it's all going to match pretty good. We'll see. Oh, look at that. Thick steel, man. Look at that. Woo. It's got a little bit of weight. So this might be a little bit more complicated for me because I got the ST Fairing. This here is supposed to connect right there, but this is going to be in the way now, so I'm going to have to loosen this. This also has a bracket in the back. See the neck brace for the ST Fairing, and in the back here there's another bracket. So I currently have two brackets that go into this hole with that little bolt. So we're going to start off by taking all this off. I'm going to loosen this to shift linkage. Oh, that spins in the back, I guess. Yeah, I have to get a wrench back there. Don't do as I say. Just learn from my videos. Look at that. My golly, I think it's gonna work. it wasn't fun getting this on there by yourself. If you had an extra pair of hands, that'd be great. I got this side started and I reached over and I got another bolt on there. I'll show you. I reached over just to get this one started to hold that in place. Will you look at that? This was too easy. This is what we got so far. I got the bolt on there, it was really easy. I put one side in, reached over, threaded another bolt in, put a rag on the fender to cover that so that doesn't scratch the fender. Then I put another bolt in here. This is all temporary because I'm gonna be installing all new floorboards and everything. And I think I'm gonna send my shift linkage out for powder coating. And that's how it looks. This is all snuggy loose. Keep everything snuggy loose. And it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful thing. OG Moto engine guard with forward controls. Perfect. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe. Talk to you guys in the next one. If you want to see the floorboards and all that, watch, hang around. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe bell notification so you can be alerted of my next uploads. And before I tell you guys to go away, I'm gonna be putting one of those red ones on there. Hold on. Woo. Sharp. Look at that. I'm gonna get the other one on the other side. I'm so excited for it. This has been sitting in my shed, in my old shed, for about a year now. I'm finally getting around to it. That looks sick. That looks sick. Look at that. Fits on the frame perfect. The bike is really dirty. One thing about putting it on the lift is you get to see how dirty the bike really gets. I like it a lot. Like I said, I got this part on order, so I'm not going to put the foot controls back on. And I do need to get the shift linkage powder coated. So don't forget to hit that subscribe. Hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Stick around. I did want to get everything OG Moto, but I didn't because I just lost power in here. Because they didn't have the shift linkage. And I kind of wanted everything to match. But anyway, here we are in the dark. Let me go over here. Lost power in my shed. Hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.